Welcome. I am Dr. Sal. I'm going to be your professor for ISOL 531 M40 for the summer. So I'm looking forward to getting started, which is in a couple days. I hope you've had a good semester and now you had that short break. So a little bit about me. So I've been working in the IT field for over 30 years, doing everything from security to databases, building networks, a little of everything. My last position, I was at a shipping company, so we used to deal with a lot of international ports and governments and everything. So it was really an exciting job. So a little bit about the class. So we're going to be using the book called Access Control and Identity Management, the third edition. So it just came out. So we have the latest information we're going to be using. You can get it through the bookstore. So you want to get that right away because all the tests and everything are going to be in there. So you want to get that. So our residency is May 21st, 22nd, and 23rd. So it's a Friday, Saturday, Sunday in May. Friday night starts at 5. Saturdays all day. Sunday ends at about 1 o'clock. Please make plans. It is going to be virtual. So you must have a computer with a camera, speakers, microphone. So please make sure you get that. It's really important. Like I said, our residency is May 21, 22, and 23. So let's just go over some of the work each week. So each week, if you look up when you get into iLearn, everything is set up by week. So you're just going to log in to your iLearn account and each week will appear. So each week you're going to pretty much have the same amount of work. So for week 1, there's always going to be an overview of what we're going to be doing. Week 2 is the learning materials. So there might be a video to watch. Always going to have my videos of the PowerPoints and usually something else going on with it. So I'll usually have at least 2 videos every week. And then you have your assignments. For week 1, you're going to have 3 assignments to complete. It tells you how many. So one is your plagiarism pledge. You want to take a look at that. You want to read that. So that's really important. We do take that very seriously. Now everything is going to be submitted through Blackboard, and everything is checked for plagiarism. So it's up to you to check that number, look at it, and make sure that it is low. It's never going to be 0 because you're writing stuff, but should be fairly low. It's going to be a discussion question. First one is your introduction. Tell us a little bit about you. What do you expect to get out of class? And then the other discussion question this week is on personal identification verification cards. How do we use them and what are they for? So remember, the discussion questions there, you have to reply to your classmates. Let's see, your initial response should be at least 350 words, and you need to reply to at least 2 other classmates. Just goes for every question. And your length should be add to the discussion. I just don't put that I like it. That's not adding. I want to see at least 150 words. So you want to do that. So please make sure you address the issues and you discuss that. So each week you're going to have that. You're also going to have projects. The projects are going to show up. I think the first project we have is in week 2 or week 3. And that is going to, again, you got to get through the bookstore. You got to get the code that you need. Your assignment, week 2 to be completed. Another classification. So week 3 is our first assignment. You have to have the book by them. The book is important. All your quizzes are coming out of it. So you want to make sure you follow that also. If you have any questions, I am available through email. I check my emails daily. So please email me anything that you want. Like I said, I do check them on a daily basis. And I reply. Let's see. If you have questions, just let me know. There's also the book that we're using is the Jones Barrett. As I said, it's the Access Control Identification. So we've been using this book now for quite some time. We've used the first, when I started, we were using the first, second, and now we're up to the third. What I like about the third book, the third edition, is it has a lot of interactive material. So you're going to read it, We're going to discuss it in class, and then there's a project to work on. That project is going to actually have you do some stuff in there. So that's what we're looking at. So that's kind of why we want you to get the book. Make sure you get the key code, because all your projects are in there, and you can't pass the class without that. So please take some time to get that as soon as you can. Let's see. That's about it for my introduction. And like I said, I'm looking forward to working with you. I look forward to seeing you in May. May 21st, 22nd, and 23rd is our residency. Please make note of it. I'll post stuff in the chat in the announcement section. Thank you. Have a wonderful evening.